Hello friends, today I deliver the new content in the inheritance and variation. Now on the boards, see on the boards. Today I have to deliver the new content in the inheritance and variation, that is known as the monohybrid cross and monohybrid ratio. In the monohybrid cross and monohybrid ratio, when Mendel's are carried out the hybridization experiments. In the hybridization experiment, he firstly crossed between the two pure homozygous parents, in which inheritance pattern of only one pair of contrasting characters is studied is called as the monohybrid cross. Mono means one. When cross between the two pure homozygous parents are crossed, which inheritance pattern of only one pair of contrasting character. Now in this cross, only study about the considering the only one pair of contrasting character in a cross, in a experiment. So it is called as the monohybrid cross. And in monohybrid cross, in other words, it is cross between the two pure parents. Pure parents mean a true breeding, differing in a single pair of contrasting character. In other hands, how to cross between the two pure parents. Cross between the two pure parents, two breeding parents differing in a single pair of contrasting character. In previous point, I have to discuss about the when Mendel's are carried out the experiment, Mendel's experiment, which are the included three steps. First step, second step and third step. In first step, selection of the parents. Then second one is the cross between the selected parents to obtain the F1 generation. And third step is the to obtain the F2 generation. So in the monohybrid cross, when first step Mendel was first selected the pure tall pea plants as a female parent. Now see on the boards, pea generation is the tall pure plants is a homozygous, pure breeding, true breeding, and dwarf is the another parents which is the also the true breedings. In the selection of the parents, male and female plants are considered. In this cross, tall is a female plant and dwarf is a male plant. And this dwarf and tall pea plant, he confirmed that they are true breeding. They confirm that they are the true breeding by selfing them for a 3 generation, selfing them up to the 3 generation, first, second and third generation. When first step of the hybridization experiment in the monohybrid cross, second step is he then performed the artificial cross. He performed the artificial cross. Collected the seeds, showed the seeds and waited for the results. He performed the artificial cross, collected the seeds and showed the seeds and waited for the result. He was expecting that the offsprings will either be a intermediate height or 50% will be tall or 50% will be dwarf. What expectation in the after the taking a cross, artificial cross, showed them seeds and wait for the result? Mendel expected that the offsprings will either be a intermediate height, or a 50% will be a tall and 50% will be dwarf. But to this surprise, he found that the all were the tall. All expectation is consider, but result is a different. In this result, all the plants were appear tall. He started the thinking where the dwarfness. Now here, when after the cross, artificial cross are they taken, then artificial cross, then all the offspring in F1 hybrids in F1 generation are obtained all the tall. He started the thinking where the dwarfness has gone, why and how to got eliminated. How to got eliminated, where the dwarfness is gone. It is eliminated forever. Are that a tall offspring similar to the parental tall? There are the different questions are the arising in their mind, thinking that a dwarfness are gone. Where? It got eliminated. How to eliminate it? It is eliminated forever. Are the tall offsprings are similar to their parental tall? To find out the answer, he proceed the further experiments. To find out the number of the questions in their mind, to not got the answer about that questions, he decided to carry out the further experiments. He allowed the natural selfing of all the hybrids. Mendel decided the further experiment. In that further experiment, these hybrids are allowed to the natural self-pollination. Collected seeds, showed seeds, and then waited for the results. He found that the dwarfness is reappear. In that, after in F2 generation, dwarfness is reappeared after the selfing of the F1 hybrids under the natural pollinations. So he performed the reciprocal cross. Then dwarfness is represented in some plants. So all the collected plants is the seed of the 1064. When all they had collected the 1064 seeds of F2 generation from this 787 grow tall and the 277 remained dwarf. Those character is not expressed in F1 generation, then in F2 generation is reappeared. In that reappeared, so seeds are shown 1064 out of 787 is the tall and the 277 remain a dwarf. He thought that it may be due to the female dominancy, tallness was with the ovules. There are the different questions are arising in their minds. In the monohybrid cross, we have to take the F2 generation with the help of the formation of the gamete. Now this cross, tall and dwarf, after these are the gametes of the parent, capital T, small t. Dwarfness is the indicated or represented by the small letter, small t. Tall is represented by the capital letters. Then cross in F1 hybrid is obtained all the talls. Then these hybrids are allowed to the self-natural pollination in F1 generation, then cross selfing of these F1 hybrids, then to obtain the F2 generation. in this F2 generation